Hello YouTube, this is Things with Wheels, and I would like to show you guys the new Ventus One Plus. Let's dive in and see what we got. Let's try the knife. Yeah, that was fun. Bulletproof. We got zip ties. We got staples. And we can see how she's packed. A little bit of cardboard. Not too badly packed in there. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Alright, we have one cardboard box removed. Still wrapped in plastic. Looks like she's waterproof pretty good. Tire exposed. Looks like she's alright from shipping here. Alright, let's take it apart. Okay, here she is. She's looking pretty good. It's wrapped up in foam. Tons of zip ties. I think the zip ties are stronger than I am, as you can see earlier. Alright, let's get this bad boy up off the ground and see what we got. Okay, so we got some probably instruction manual, little front cover plate. Got a fancy foot peg in here. Pretty nice looking one. A little bag of tools. And some odds and ends. Rear wheel, fender, charger in this other box. And then we got this roll of stickers here. We got most of the bike stripped down now. All the plastic. Now we're just going to assemble it. And figure out how these handlebars go in here. A little different looking. Let's see. Okay. Yep, I think now we just need to put a few pieces together. Let's do it.